kailangan ball movement and dominating the glass. And in the second half, the team looked much closer to the style that you wanted. A lot of the guys contributed, plus 25 of your rebounds came from Rod. How important were those two factors? Improved ball movement, winning the rebounding battle, and helping you secure your first win?
Well, we wanted to move the ball. The easiest way to move the ball is kapag nag-fast break kami. Pinagsasamantalahan namin wala pa si Junmar. Kasi pagdating ni Junmar, babagal kami ng konti. Pero gusto namin nandito siya. Pero mukhang okay naman ginawa ni Rodney, 25 rebounds. It's like a regular average day of Junmar, so we'll take that. I think something else that we want also, we saw is the 29 assists. We're trying to change the culture. We're trying to preach sharing the ball. Of course, there will be times na hindi nila alam ang gagawin nila. Kanina nagagalit na nga ako kay Don kasi panira na, naghahanap pa ng papasahan. Which is over naman, so sakto-sakto lang sa amin.
Thank you, Coach. We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Peter, congratulations. Nagkasulat ba si Coach Leo?
Di ko alam. Hindi, si Coach Leo has been with us. Dapat pupunta siya today, actually. He was with us practice yesterday, the day before. Sumama lang ang pakiramdam, nagbo-bloated siya. So last minute, mga 1 o'clock, tinawagan ako, papunta na kami dito. Sabi, Coach Leo will rest daw. Sabi ko, okay, no problem. Yung gusto naman niyang gawin, ginawa naman namin tonight. So, kay Coach Leo pa rin to. So, wala naman kaming binago.
Coach, in second, assessment mo lang, yun lang sa performance ni George and Jeric.
Medyo mahaba yata yung laro ni Jeric para sa akin, 38 minutes. So that's actually already a testament of how important he is to our team. Medyo inalat si Paolo kanina. So, di ba, nandun naman yung opportunity to play always eh. So these two new guys, we're trying to make them fit in. And of course, with George King, I'm so happy with we're so happy with what we got. He's a leader. He has 7 assists. Tapos sa mga timeout, pag tignan mo yung timeout, more often than not, may sasabihin siyang positive, may ano siya sa amin. So he's the type of import that we want. If we can hold this until Coach Leo and of course si Junmar pa. So ang ganda ng chances namin this conference to be one of the top teams sana.
Congratulations rin.
Yeah, 25.
May iba tong stat line mo 10 points, 25 rebounds, 7 assists, 4 steals, parang may tiyatang mas Adams or wala kang talagang stat line.
Ayun nga, biro ko nga kanina, kailangan ko lang lumabas sa mundo ng Aliemo kasi wala si Junmar eh. So ano lang, ready lang ako palagi kung ano lang yung opportunity na binibigay sa akin, kinukuha ko lang naman. So nagkataon kasi na parang may opportunity na tumakbo. Tapos nagkakaroon na. Ang sarap kasi pasahan yung mga teammates ko like si Jeric, sobrang shooter. Pag pinasa mo, parang sure-board assist na eh. So credit din sa kanila siguro.
Coach, si Junmar ba, ano yung extent ng injury niya, babalik na ba siya next game?
Hindi pa sure eh, pero hoping tayo makabalik siya. Pero ang injury niya na hyperextension dun sa gilas. Nung kahapon, nung tinitingnan nga namin, hinawakan ko siya, medyo ano pa talaga, hindi pampilit. Si Jericho nga, ang ganda nun nilaro eh, two practices pa lang yan kasi galing sa sakit yan eh. After Guam, lahat ng teammates niya nagkasakit sila. So we were really not expecting him to play and contribute much, pero ang daming ginawa eh. Tapang talaga ng bata eh, 20 points kagad eh. Two practices, 20 points kagad. Ganun katapang yun. So, nagpakita talaga.
Tatlong siko.
Tatlong siko daw.
Trade nyo raw kasi.
Ha?
Trade nyo raw.
Fake news eh. Ikaw ba nagsulat nun? Ikaw talaga. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, wala kaming... At saka ang masarap dito, wala naman over our pay grade yun. So wala kaming... Kung sino man isama sa amin. Laban lang. Trabaho lang. Alright?
Dati,